I'm going to show you some efficient ways of using the inlay command. So I click on the inlay and I select this pattern. We will have a bunch of textures here, and we also have all the different parts. So you see A1 is grouped, this, and this, because it's the same geometry. So if I double click on the blue quartz while this is highlighted, you'll see that all of these will get this texture. I can also use our brush, and I can pick, let's say, this and this. But if I want to click on this and select all the same geometry on our pattern, I can push down the control button and I click on this, this, and this, and it selects all the similar geometry. So enter to get back here, and we'll use high contrast dark marble. I click on my brush again, hold down the control key, and I select all the remaining geometry, like so. Enter. When I'm done with this, I can click OK, and we get a detailed map with also we see the numbers here, so you know where to put them. And we've sorted. The dark marble is on this row, and the blue quartz is on this row. So I can go to nest, I can select auto and select the blue quartz. Alright, and this sheet. I can then select all these parts. I can say rotation step 180, because you don't want the grains to end up in different directions. So nest, and we'll make that nest, and then you do the same on this one.